Most people say they're stuck. I'm stuck at 3K per month. I'm stuck trying to get my first client. I'm stuck trying to scale my business past $10,000 a month. But the uncomfortable truth is you're not stuck. The problem that's silently killing your income is avoidance.
Would you walk us through a typical day?
I generally come in at least 15 minutes late. And after that, I just sort of space out for about an hour.
You're avoiding something. And the thing you're avoiding is directly tied to the income that you want. I know how stuck feels helpless. Avoidance is a choice. Stuck says, there's nothing I can do. Avoidance says, I know what to do. I just don't want to do it right now. Because that difference matters. One keeps you powerless. The other one gives you complete control. In remote cleaning businesses, avoidance shows up everywhere. You avoid raising your prices because you're afraid of losing customers. You avoid running ads because you're afraid to spend money. You avoid calling leads fast because you don't want to deal with objections. You avoid hiring because responsibility feels heavy. And then months go by and revenue obviously stays flat. And then you tell yourself, maybe this business isn't working. Maybe it's not for me. Maybe the ads don't work. This business works. You're avoiding the lever. And income is always on the other side of the lever that you don't want to pull. It's just a fact. This is the dangerous part. Avoidance feels productive. It really does. Avoidance doesn't feel like laziness. It feels like work. Why does it feel that way? Why are we designed to feel that way? Because we redesign our website, we rewrite our bio or our about us story, we study the competitors, we do market research, we watch 47 different YouTube videos. I mean, if you're going to watch any, just make sure you're watching mine. We reorganize our CRM and need more automations. And none of it forces growth. None of it. Zero. The thing that grows revenue is usually very simple. More sales, more leads, more book jobs, raise the rate, hire more cleaners, follow up faster, fix whatever's broken in the system, attack it. That's it. Avoidance lets you stay busy without being exposed. But remember, busy does not equal profitable. And there's a big fear, and fear is the root. Let's call it what it is. It's fear of rejection, fear of looking stupid, fear of losing money, fear of making the wrong hire, fear of being judged publicly. You don't avoid because you're incapable. You avoid because your brain is wired to protect you. That's it. That's simple. But protection, it doesn't build income. Exposure does. And every level of income requires a new level of exposure. You want to make $10,000 a month? You must tolerate more responsibility. You want to make $30,000 a month? You've got to be able to tolerate more pressure. And if you want a business that runs without you, you have to tolerate trusting other people. Avoidance is just fear wearing a polite disguise. The math of avoidance, if you avoid following up with leads, your close rate drops. If your close rate drops, revenue drops. If revenue drops, you panic. If you panic, some people lower your prices. If you lower your prices, you make less profit. And if your profit margin shrinks, you can't pay great cleaners. And if you can't pay great cleaners, quality drops. Quality drops, reviews are bad. Avoidance is not isolated, it cascades. The income killer is rarely dramatic. It's usually small decisions that you postpone. Avoidance doesn't just cost you money, it costs you your identity. Every time you tell yourself, I'll do it tomorrow, and you don't, you weaken trust in yourself. And self-trust, it's the foundation of entrepreneurship. Confidence is not personality. Confidence is self-trust built over kept promises to yourself. Avoid long enough and something worse happens. You stop seeing yourself as someone who attacks problems. You start seeing yourself as someone who thinks about problems. And that identity shift is expensive. And 10 years from now, the person who confronted hard conversations, who raised prices when scared, who hired before feeling ready, that person compounds. The skills compound, the confidence compounds, the income compounds. The person who avoided, they stay stagnant. And then stagnation turns into regret. Everybody knows it. Everybody's felt it before. And regret is much heavier than failure. You can recover from a bad hire. You can recover from a failed ad campaign, but you cannot recover from a decade of hesitation. You can't. You can't get it back. Everybody knows time's the only thing you can't get back in life. That's why you cannot afford avoidance. Not financially, not psychologically, not long-term. Let's talk about the fastest way to increase income. If you're serious about building a profitable remote cleaning business that runs without you, the operating system plus the training plus the weekly group coaching is something that I offer. You get my complete remote cleaning business operating system, pricing models, hiring systems, sales scripts, automation workflows, marketing, onboarding cleaners, plus weekly live coaching with me. This is for the person who wants clarity, accountability, and a proven blueprint. Just email me, john@johnmargalite.com. If you have any questions or you'd like to apply, I'll send you the questionnaire and you can apply that way. You want to make more money in a remote cleaning business? Identify the thing you're avoiding right now the most. That's your lever. The speed at which you confront discomfort determines the speed at which you can grow your income. Revenue is directly tied to how fast you respond, how fast you make decisions, how fast you fix things, how fast you raise your standards, and how fast you can implement everything. Those are the keys. And it's all centered around speed. It's the North Star of my business. Every decision I make, I ask myself, can I do this quickly? Can I decide quickly? Remember Ryan Serhan's 10-10-10 rule. Unless it's life-changing, it shouldn't take 10 hours. It should take 10 minutes. Avoidance slows everything. Speed creates revenue, and speed requires courage. Alex Hormozi says, the shortcut is the long, painful way. I say the fastest way to get rich is to work hard for a very long time. I think we're all saying the same thing. The obstacle is the way. The thing blocking you is the path. Not around it, but through it. Not over it, through it. That's the way life works. And I'll say something directly to you. No matter what you do in life, no matter what type of product you make or service you provide, if you're really good at it, you will have tons of customers. You cannot afford to try to figure this out alone. That's why I'm here. That's why I want you to tune in. That's why I want you to get help. Most cleaning businesses fail because the model is broken, because the owner underprices, delays hiring or hires too soon, responds too slowly, lacks systems or burnout. The alternative to mentorship isn't saving money. It's not. It's paying in time, paying in stress, paying in preventable mistakes. When you have someone who has already built the systems, tested the pricing, refined the scripts, and scaled to 7 figures plus, you compress years into months. The odds are not in your favor alone. They're not. But with proven systems and direct guidance, the odds shift dramatically. I would argue that you cannot afford not to get help. Here's what I want you to walk away with today. You are not stuck. You are capable. You are intelligent enough. You are resourceful enough. I know because you wouldn't be here with me now if you weren't. But you must confront faster. You must. Avoidance compounds quietly. Action compounds powerfully. And the gap between where you are now and where you want to be, it's not knowledge, it's confrontation. The people making serious money in remote cleaning are not magical people. They just move toward discomfort quicker. I'll say it again. The successful people in remote cleaning businesses move towards discomfort quicker. They're just faster than you to confront it. They pick up the phone, they raise the rate, they fix the system, they make the hire, they take ownership, and then they repeat. If you want a 6-figure take-home business, if you want to control your time, if you want a business that runs without you, you cannot afford to delay growth anymore. If you're serious about building a profitable remote cleaning business that runs without you, the operating system plus the training plus the weekly group coaching is something that I offer. You get my complete remote cleaning business operating system, pricing models, hiring systems, sales scripts, automation workflows, marketing, onboarding cleaners, plus weekly live coaching with me. This is for the person who wants clarity, accountability, and a proven blueprint. And most of all, you get to direct message me if you have any problems or if you encounter any obstacles, have any strategic questions. I only work with people who are ready to go and execute. If you have to think about it, it's not a good fit. Just email me, john@johnmargalite.com. If you have any questions or you'd like to apply, I'll send you the questionnaire and you can apply that way.